Hello.
Hi,
Hi,
hello.
my name is Kathleen. I'm from the United States. What's your name?
My name is Narayan and I am from India.
Nada, am you from India? How are you doing today?
I am doing How are you doing today?
I am good. Thanks for asking. Oh, okay.
Oh,
Pretty. It's nice where you are.
I am in the field. You know what field is?
You in the forest.
No, I am not in forest. I am an agricultural farm that known as field in here
Oh,
in
you in the
India.
on a farm.
Yeah, agricultural farm or agricultural field.
Oh, it's nice out there.
Yeah.
What are you planting?
I am just doing. I'm just working here and I am just practicing English with you.
Oh, okay. So what do you want to talk about this morning?
Oh yeah. Here is the morning time there.
Yes, it is 6:26 a.m.
Oh, but here it's 5 p.m.
It's
evening
5
time.
p.m. Wow.
Yeah.
I'm early. I'm up early.
Oh,
I'm always up early.
would you like to explain something about you?
I am from the United States. I live in the state of Georgia.
Oh, state of Georgia. And what are you doing there?
I am a teacher. I'm a teacher.
Oh, you are a
English
teacher.
teacher. English teacher.
Oh, you are a professional English teacher.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
What is famous? What is Georgia famous for? Would you like to? You have to correct my sentences also, but you are not correcting my sentences. Please do that
Oh, I will. I will. I'll correct
because
your
I have to
sentences.
learn. Yeah,
Yes.
because I have to learn.
Yes, I will. When you say something wrong, I'm gonna correct you.
Yeah, it means I have said all the correct things that I have said earlier.
Yeah, when you said it correct so far. So far.
Oh, oh, that's great. I am appreciating myself.
Yes. When you say something wrong, I'll correct you.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, you're very welcome. So you're out farming this afternoon.
What?
You're out working in the farm this afternoon.
Yeah, I am here working,
Mm.
and I can't say working. I'm working like as supervisor. I'm working here like as what observer or what it can you say that?
Oh, so you would say I'm working here as a supervisor. You can say that, or you
Yeah,
can say I'm
yeah,
working
yeah,
here as a manager, or you can say
yeah. That's it.
that's it. You're a manager, or you can say I am an overseer.
Yeah, I am overseer here.
Yes. So how many people work there besides you?
Lots of people are working there. They are doing work. They are doing lots of work in the farm, like as you know, irritate. What uh,
Well,
irritation?
you should say that a lot of people is working here on the farm.
Yeah, like as they are working works like as irritation of the plants and doing lots of things.
So you would say they are doing a lot of different things.
Do you know anything about agriculture? What type of agriculture culture are doing in United States?
They farm in the United States. They farm. Where I live,
Oh,
farming is very popular.
have you even worked at farm or not?
No, the correct word would be have you ever worked on a farm?
Yeah.
You want me to correct you, so you got to repeat it. Have you ever worked on a farm?
Have you ever worked on a farm?
No, I haven't.
Farm?
Yes,
Oh,
farm.
you don't. Oh,
No, I haven't. Never
uh,
worked on a farm.
have you
No.
even visited that?
Yes, I
Have
have
you even
visited.
visited there?
Yes, I have visited a farm before,
Oh, that's great.
but I
What
never
you like
worked in it.
that? What you have found very great, or you have loved that?
Did I have
Anything that you
fun?
have loved?
Did well? Could you say you would say? Did you have fun when you visit the farm, or did you like it?
Yeah, what I have to say?
Did you have fun when you visit the farm, or did you like it when you went to the farm?
It's I think it is very long sentence. So you have to break that. So it will be very easy to.
Say, well, just say
Yeah.
did you just say did you like it when you visited the farm?
Did you like it when you have visited the farm?
Yes. I went to the farm to pick peaches.
Oh,
Yes, and
what
sometimes
is
yes,
what is good about Georgia?
it is beautiful.
Yeah,
There's a lot of opportunities for young people.
like as.
Like a lot, they different people from different cultures live in Georgia. From
Oh,
abroad, they live in Georgia. A lot of peoples from India live in Georgia.
do you know any Indian people in Georgia?
Well, I don't really know them. I know them when I go in the store because they own stores here, and I know them by face. I don't know them by name.
Oh, that's great.
Is there a lot of American people live in India?
Yeah, lots of American people lives in India, but I don't know anybody who is living here.
So you said I don't know anyone that lives here.
Yeah, I don't know anybody.
Oh, so why you don't know somebody?
Because I am in the, I am not in the city, or you can say multi, multipolitan city, or capital city of India, where it's like a Delhi, Mumbai. I'm in, very small village. I'm from village.
Oh, so
My
yes,
great
you
village.
would say I'm from a village. I live in the
Yeah,
country.
I'm from village.
So you live in the countryside.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. So do you ever go to the city?
What
Do you
you
ever
like to?
visit the city?
Yeah, I have visited city.
Oh, okay.
Usually, I am a student at city, but my parents are, my parents' homes are in the village, so lots of time I have the opportunity to be in village also and enjoy the both type of cultures,
Yeah.
the culture of villages and cultures of cities. So you can imagine that if a person have two types of cultural exposure, then what they, how much they have got growth in their life.
Oh, so you're exposed to two types of culture. That's awesome. That's awesome.
Yeah, yeah,
It
yeah.
is. So which one do you like
I
best?
have I loved, both have its own, goodness. Would you like to say that goodness or best part?
The best part, the
In
best
village,
part of living in the
uh,
village.
if you are in village, then you will find here. Have a look.
Yes, it's
Have a look.
nice. It's nice though. I
Have a
like
look.
it.
You know, it's the village culture where I am living in village. You will find lots of big big farms and lots of natural phenomenon. Uh, pure pure nature, and what lots of things. Purity level is high in villages, but when you are in city, you will find there lots of good infrastructure, lots of availability hospitals, education universities, better transport facility. These are the benefits when you are in city. And when you are in village, you have to be focused, or you have to, what I have to say, you have to be,
You have to be.
or what, focused on purity level.
Yeah, but I like that focusing on the
Or
more pure level too, because open nature is good. It's good to walk out there and
yeah,
yes, you're not crowded.
I am walking here and talking with you. I'm feeling very happy when I'm getting very pure oxygen here. Purity level
Yeah.
is very, very high.
Yes. So how big is the farm? It look huge.
It's look like as very big, very big.
Yes.
It's very
Yes,
big.
it is. And so all of that is your mom's and dad, your parents?
Yeah, my parents are living in my village.
Oh, okay. That's awesome. So do you walk out there every day?
Yeah, I like to walk very much, so I am walking here.
Oh, okay. Awesome. Awesome. I need to visit so I can walk and get some fresh air.
Yeah, would you like to? You are invited. I'm inviting you. Please come and take 3 years of India. Here, it's have lots of goodness in there. Here, if you have taken one time here, you will have to, what you will your
So if I come one
what
time,
your heart will tell
you
you.
said if I come one time and
Hmm.
get the fresh air, I'll be back.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You will be back here lots of time to having a fresh air. Like, have you even visited Taj Mahal?
No, I haven't.
It means I think you have not visited India.
I haven't visited India before.
Have you visited India even?
No, I haven't, but looking at that make me want to visit India.
Oh,
It's nice out there.
please come in India. You will find lots of things here.
Oh, you have a lot, yes, lots of clean air.
Yeah, lots of natural phenomenon. Nature is very, very helpful for Indians. They are getting lots of benefits from nature.
Yes, that's awesome. I know we get a lot of stuff from India.
Yeah.
Yes.
Would you like? Have you even eaten Indian foods?
Yes, at the restaurant.
What is your favorite Indian
I
food?
couldn't tell you. I just eat it.
Oh, you can't tell that
I just eat it.
because you don't know what is good or what
Yeah,
is not
I know
good.
when I go to the restaurant, I know what is good and what's not good. We have
Oh,
Indian restaurants here, so I know what's good and not good.
have you even go to the Indian cinema hall or theater?
No, I haven't.
Have you even seen a Bollywood movies?
Bollywood movies. No,
Yeah, Bollywood
no, my
movie.
sister watches them all the time, but I don't watch them. I don't even watch American movies really.
What was her reaction after watching Indian movie?
So, what would my reaction be? I don't know what my
Yeah.
reaction be. I have to see the movie first.
No, no, I am talking about your sister's reaction.
Oh, my sister, they watch
Yeah,
Indian
what was her
movies. They
reaction
watch all
after?
kind of movies. I just don't.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Would you like to explain anything else about Georgia or about yourself?
Well, the weather is nice where I live,
Would you?
and it's very big. It's very big where I
Yeah,
live. The schools are great.
yeah,
It's cheap. It's
good.
cheap where I live. I live in the country. I live in the countryside of Georgia.
What is how much far LA is from Georgia?
About 36 hours.
36 hours. LA,
Yeah,
it means Los Angeles,
yeah. It's 36 hours in a car.
Lot.
In a car.
Oh, no, God. Oh, what is Los Angeles is famous about IT sectors,
Yes,
That is true.
yes.
Have you any